Alright, randomized bird. Oh, alright. It's the 2-time back-to-back best pirate you've ever seen. Alright, so is there a tutorial or what? What the fuck? It begins. Do an ollie. What? Oh, this is the quest giver. It feels very weird, I'm not gonna lie. Alright, I'm really good at skateboard games. That was my sarcastic voice. Alright, so where's the, what is the mission here? Oh, shit. I mean, there's a story. Like, I need a tutorial for the tricks. Oh, shit. Grind the soup bowl, grind the noodle bowl, grind the mystery bowl, collect 8 crushed cans. Alright. Here's a bowl of some sort. Alright, they didn't, what the fuck? Hello? Here we go. Ah. Alright. Bro, what do you mean retry? Oh my god, there's no timer, dude. What the fuck? Did you see a timer? Oh, there is a timer. I couldn't get up. Okay. Now we know. It was bugged though. I didn't know there was a timer. Oh my god. Alright, you see I can do it. They don't even let me finish a combo? It's alright, I'm sure Big Friend would have done it themselves if they had the energy. Do you think they'll play with us again when we're finished? There's only one way to find out. You see any other clowns here? On the top right, lol. Like, is that stall? Am I stalling? Alright. Alright. One more. Hey. Hello. Bro, I recalled the skateboard in the air and kept the combo. What the fuck? Did I? Find Big Friend's charger.
But soon these young will reach adulthood. And like their parents.
There's one. I found it. How do I get that high? How can I jump that high? I never played these fucking skateboard games, man. Fuck. Yes, I want to retry. Okay, now I get it. Fuck, without falling. Alright, I get it now, I got it! Alright, we're good. Alright, I got his shit. Bro. What the fuck is this? But I can just spam this to get what? I'm already getting like 49, 60 combos. Hard game. Not Forsen proofing their game. Huh? Open the window? Bro, I can't get there. Can I? Oh, this is a glass table. I thought I was gonna fall off. Oh, here she is. I found her. Don't care. Collect 4 plastic forks. Take forks to window. Pry window open with fork. Plastic fork. Oh shit, here's one.
Hadde got 9 gangs get into socket a shot.
Surprisingly easy to understand. The Swedish accent. Thank you, man. Yes, it's all good. It's all good, except for this fucking shit, man. I fucking suck at this game. Why do I suck at this game? I never suck at games. Fuck you. I got one. Oh. This is a clown fiesta. Right, how the fuck do I pry this window open?
And slipped in diving for its prey.
Entire world out there. Fucking Christ, I did it. Opening day. I'm pretty good at this game, no? What the hell is happening? Hotfix? No way. Alright, there's your 9,000 points. Now what? Got anything harder for the God Gamer? What do you want? Seed capital. I get it. Money. Wait, what does that mean? Oh, collecting letters. M to the O. To the N. Can I get an E? Can I get a Y? Yes. Hard. Alright. I reach a location. Do a grab trick 2 times. I don't know what a grab trick is. Did I do it? I did it once. Did I do it again? Reach the target spot. Where's the spot? Oh, it's over here. Do a grab trick 2 times. Reach a target spot. Where is it? Up on this table. 42 seconds.
Takes these dogs 3 years to get their grown-up
So graphic.
clothes. The young ones
I guess
are
just-
found and locked up. They gather in groups and look each other over, and one male drives off another. But finally, after having considered the matter duly, they begin to pair off. You with me?
Bro, what the fuck is a grab trick? Swole ol. I'm getting autism from this game. This game fucking sucks. I mean, not sucks, but I'm so bad at skateboard games, basically.